Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Hyundai Ioniq 5. First, understand the two main types of charging, AC and DC. AC charging, also known as Level 1 or Level 2, uses alternating current, while DC fast charging, or Level 3, uses direct current for much quicker power delivery. Locate the charging port, typically on the rear passenger side, and ensure your cable is compatible. Always check the charger's display for connection status. AC charging is perfect for everyday use. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, providing a slow but convenient overnight charge. For faster home charging, Level 2 requires a 240-volt outlet, similar to a dryer connection, significantly reducing charging times. Always use the appropriate charging cable for your AC power source, ensuring a secure connection before you begin. This method is ideal for topping up your battery at home or work. When you need to recharge quickly, DC fast charging is your best option. These stations provide the quickest way to get back on the road, often adding a substantial range in under 30 minutes. Use your vehicle's navigation or a dedicated charging app to locate compatible DC fast charging stations nearby. Once there, connect the larger DC fast charging cable securely to your vehicle's port. The station will guide you through the payment and charging process. Finally, always monitor your charging progress using your vehicle's display or the Hyundai app. For optimal battery health, try to avoid consistently charging to 100%, especially for daily use. Aim for around 80% to prolong battery life. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.